So for today's video, we're going to be turning ourselves into Jessica Rabbit from the chest up. I do have a shirt on. So I'm going to be starting off with my base makeup. So I'm going to be taking my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. I'm going to be taking a little bit of the Cody Air Spun loose setting powder. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be starting off with. I'm just going to speed through the process so it doesn't take up majority of the video and then get back to explaining. So now that we're all powdered, I'm going to be bronzing. So I'm going in with basically the same products that I go in every single video, every single day. Taking my Wet n Wild bronzer, and I'm going to be taking this in Sunset Striptease. Just bronzing up. Okay, so my battery is going to die, so I did the eyes. So all I did was I took my Mehron 30 color palette, makeup, face paint thing. Whoa. And I took this color right here and I made this shape. And then I took, where are ya? Then I took this shade right here and I filled it in and blended it. Then I took a little bit of the weight, which popped out, but I took a little bit of the weight, put it in the center a little bit, and put that away. And then I went in with the James Charles X Morphe palette and I went in with this shade right here and just packed that on. Then I went in with this shade and this shade and this shade and this shade all mixed together, and I just went around and blended the edges. And then I took my e.l.f. liquid black liner and I created a wing. I took my artdeco black mascara and did my normal mascara. And then I took these big lashes, huge, and plopped them on. I don't know which lashes these are. Yeah, they're huge. So just plop on a big pair of lashes. So, and then I took a little bit of the weight and just carved out my brow. So there's the brow part. Just gonna blend this in a little bit. I'm just taking a little bit of my highlight, the Wet n Wild highlight in Blossom Glow. And adding a little bit more highlight. So now that is on, I'm gonna be taking a little bit of my Milani blush in Tea Rose and putting a little bit of blush on. So I zoomed you out because we're going to be working on the dress. So we're going back in with the Mehron 30 color palette, and we're going in with the red shade. And just creating a dress outline and then filling it in. I'm going to take the James Charles palette and I'm just going to be doing some shading with the red and the oranges. So now I'm going to be taking a little bit of the weight and just highlighting. So now that we got the dress part on, I'm going to plop on the lips. I keep saying plop. So I'm using the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Ho Ho Ho. And then I'm going to be adding this little gloss thing that doesn't have a name. And now we're going to be adding the wig. So now that we got the wig on, we're going to be painting the hand. So again, I'm going in with the Mehron makeup palette. And going in with this purple. I'm actually going to just pop on a little bit of, so I'm just going to pop on a little bit of the highlight to my collarbones. So this is the final look. I finished the hand. I just did one. And I really like how this turned out. I think it's really pretty. Yeah, so it was pretty easy to make. It didn't take me that long to do. And it looks really cute. And I like it. Gives me kind of a different personality, I feel. So if you guys enjoy this video, then leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. What am I doing? So if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please comment what kind of videos you guys want to see. And if you'd like to follow me on my other social medias, my Instagram is mbk_beauty_. And if you like Jessica, then head over to my Instagram and give her a like. I will be posting the picture the same time this YouTube video goes up. So the same time you're watching this, the picture will be up. Yeah. Bye.